I think if you are one church and you want to get donations or you want to send information about your community, your events, WhatsApp Business plus chat with, if you consider, is enough. I mean, it's going to get the job done. You're going to be able to do everything. You're going to be able to send the news, get payments, all that. Let's say you are a community of churches. No, let's say you have 5 churches in one state or one city or one country or something like that. I think in that case you need WhatsApp API, no, because you're going to coordinate all your branches. You're going to coordinate all
the
your
groups you have within the churches, the group, let's say the Bible study groups and commissions and all that kind of subgroups you have, and you can manage it with the business API.
Yeah. No, I think it's always based on the size of your organization. No, I mean, for a small organization, WhatsApp Business. Large organization, WhatsApp API. There is another case that sometimes we have that is a small organization but highly technical. No, like let's say you are a developer, or you are an agency, or you are an e-commerce expert, something like that. These guys normally they tend to go to WhatsApp API directly, because they want to automate everything. But you need to have skills to set up, as you mentioned before. You need to have technical skills to set up WhatsApp API, because it's not easy, as using a CRM or something like that.